Well, I'm Ryan, this is Lauren, and together we're Millers in Motion. And with our 2 dogs, we live full-time and travel in our 5th wheel and make all kinds of RV-related content, like the do's, don'ts, and everything in between travel-related.
So many of you guys have been kind enough to follow us from the beginning, and we can't tell you how much that means to us. But there are also a lot of new faces out there, and we want to welcome you guys to the channel and to all the adventures we have.
More than likely, you found us because of RV Unplugged, which is the show that is actually coming out about the same time that this video came out, and we are beyond excited and happy that it's going to be out in the world pretty soon. Also, if you're not signed up and you're seeing this pretty quickly, RV Unplugged Rally. Come camp with us in May, along with all the other channels involved, rvunpluggedrally.com.
That's right. Watch the show, come to the rally, and camp with us. It's going to be a blast.
So one of the things we also like to do with those of you that have been around for a little while, we say, this channel's about you guys, not so much us. We're just the vessels for the information because we enjoy shooting ourselves.
We're the guinea pigs.
So with that being said, we've always asked you guys what you want us to film, what you want us to do, what you want on the channel. So we have a few questions for you because we want to better serve our subscribers. So my first question, we have released a few videos on a Saturday just because of scheduling, like the Super Bowl, that kind of stuff. Those videos seem to do a little better for some reason. So are you happy with our 1 video release schedule being on Sunday, or would you prefer it to be Saturday? There's a lot of RV content on Sunday. We get it. We watch some of it. So would you rather us release on Saturday? Would you rather us release Sunday morning, Tuesday afternoon at 1? I don't know. Whatever you guys want. Leave that comment down below and let us know when you would like us to release a new video for the week.
Also, feel free to say, no, leave it alone.
Yep.
That works too.
It's also the easiest for me.
And then my question for you guys is there an aspect of content that you would like us to make that we're not currently making? So, go wild. Not too wild. Just kidding.
Go wild with your keyboard in the comments.
Still not too wild. Be kind.
So, that's about it. Again, to everybody that's been subscribed and all the new subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. If you didn't know, we have a website, millersinmotion.com. We are actively putting more content on that website. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure to go root us on the RV Unplugged side, because I could use $10,000.
And as we say every week, bye, Mom.
Hi-da-ho.
We haven't been doing this for a year.
I still think it's funny that when I move my head, the little box follows my eyeball.
I wouldn't say picked up. They're not. That's why he doesn't do that in public.
There's a lot of new yous. Who be you? We be we.
You be new.
We be new. No, less new.
I know. That's okay.
Oh no. Camera's shaking because of the rigs are rocking. We're doing laundry.